In the opening paragraph of the textbook, it says this: the branch of physics that deals with the quantitative representation of motion is called kinematics. Kinematics does not consider the causes and effects of motion. It does not consider the causes. Okay? There we go, my pen's working. Its goal is simply to provide a mathematical description of motion. Okay? So what's the difference between kinematics and kinetics? So quickly, kinematics, as it says here, it doesn't consider the causes. It's simply, another way of describing is it just looks at the geometry of motion. The geometry of motion. What does this mean? So if a particle is moving in that direction, kinematics only considers its position or its displacement. For example, kinematics only considers velocity or acceleration. So as you can see, these quantities, position, displacement, velocity, acceleration, and similar things like this, for example, distance is also part of this. These quantities do not describe what is causing that motion. Okay? It simply describes the motion. Whereas kinetics does look at what causes the motion. What causes the motion? Okay, and this is where forces come in, effectively. So when we deal with kinetics, we are looking at the forces that cause the motion, whereas kinematics is just the motion itself. Okay? Send me an email if you don't understand or if you're confused. I hope that helps.